Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. A recent prediction by Jesse Myers, the head of Bitcoin strategy at Moon Inc., has left many in the crypto community wondering what's next for Bitcoin. According to Myers, Bitcoin Treasury companies will hold a staggering 50% of all BTC by 2045, far more than most Bitcoiners are prepared for. To put this into perspective, today we're seeing Strategy, one of these treasury companies, own only about 576,320 Bitcoins worth around $62 billion. But here's the thing. Myers isn't just talking about individual investors. He's talking about big corporations and institutional investors who are starting to take notice of Bitcoin. He says that if half of all capital in the world is looking for a store of value, then it will osmotically flow into Bitcoin over time. We've already seen an exodus from fiat assets like bonds and money, with many investors flocking to hard money assets like Bitcoin and gold. And Myers isn't wrong. There's approximately $318 trillion of capital tied up in bonds right now, just waiting for a better option. That's where these treasury companies come in. They're looking to provide institutional investors with a more efficient way to gain exposure to Bitcoin. And with the likes of Strike founder Jack Mallers and SoftBank backing 21 Capital, it looks like we're seeing a new wave of players enter the market. So what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? According to Myers, Strategy alone will own $70 trillion worth of Bitcoin by 2045, making it the most valuable company in history. That's a truly mind-boggling figure, and one that highlights just how significant these treasury companies are going to be. As we move forward, it's essential for investors to keep an eye on this space. The potential for growth is enormous, but so too is the risk. One thing's for sure, Bitcoin treasury companies will play a major role in shaping the future of cryptocurrency, and that's something Bitcoin Bulletin will be keeping a close eye on. That's all for today's episode. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Bitcoin.